Microsoft just released another Windows 11 Insider update, and this one brings some interesting improvements, especially for touchpad users. Let's break it down. First, Microsoft says it's continuing the rollout of the new Windows Insider program changes. The new system is already expanding across several channels, although some users in the Canary and Beta channels haven't been moved over yet. Microsoft also reminded beta users that if they want the best continuity with existing features, they should consider moving to the dev channel before the full transition happens. Now for the new builds. Beta channel users are getting build to 6.2 to 0.8370. Experimental users, including the old dev channel, are getting build to 6.30 0.8376. There are also newer experimental builds for the former Canary channels. And as always, you can check your current build number from the watermark in the bottom right corner of your desktop. Now, let's get into the actual features. The biggest update here is for precision touchpads. Microsoft is adding several new gesture-related controls in settings to make touchpads feel more customizable and responsive. One of the new additions is gesture speed control. You can now adjust how fast scrolling and zoom gestures respond, which should help users fine-tune the feel of the touchpad to match their preference. Another feature is automatic scrolling. With this enabled, scrolling can continue without lifting your fingers. You can trigger it by moving your fingers near the edge of the touchpad while scrolling, or by pressing slightly harder while holding your fingers still, although this depends on hardware support. There's also accelerated scrolling. Basically, the faster or more repeatedly you scroll, the faster the page moves. This should make it easier to move through long documents or websites quickly. And finally, Microsoft is testing optional single-finger scrolling. This allows vertical scrolling using just one finger from either side of the touchpad, which could be useful for accessibility or users who prefer simpler gestures. Overall, these changes are focused on making touchpads feel more modern and flexible. There's also an education-related update. Microsoft is introducing a free upgrade path from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro Education for K-12 schools. This means schools can buy devices with Windows 11 Home and upgrade them to the Education Edition without extra cost, making it easier to manage devices in school environments. So, while this Insider update isn't huge visually, it does bring meaningful usability improvements, especially for laptop users. And honestly, some of these touchpad features feel overdue. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like it and subscribe to stay updated. I will see you in next one.